So hello everyone, my name is Shomraj and you are watching Coding Pillow, and today we are going to start a brand new series. In this series we are going to learn mern-stack development, and today we are going to create a Express server. So let's get started with the video. So now I am in my folder, and first of all I am going to initialize it with npm. I am going to accept the default settings. So I have added a description. Now I am going to install Express. So I have installed Express. Now I am going to add some scripts. I am going to create this file later. So I have added the scripts, and I will also install node 1. So it is a dev dependency. So I have installed node 1, as you can see. I am going to create a new file. First I am going to import Express. So I have created my app, and now I will just have to listen. I am going to mention a port. So let me create a variable. So the port will come from the environment variables. That's why I'm using this. So in this function, I'm going to log. So let me just start my server. So as you can see, my server has started with the port number 5000. And it also is refreshing my server because I have used node mon. Now I'm going to install some middlewares. So I am installing course for the resource sharing purpose, and it is installed. For the database I'm going to install mongoose. So I have installed mongoose, and also I am going to require the environment variables, so I am going to install .env. So it is installed, and we can also now see that these things are installed. Also for the development purpose I'm going to install modern. So I have successfully installed the 4 dependencies and the 2 dev dependencies, and now I am going to use them. First of all, I, I am configuring my environment variables. So for that, so environment variables are configured, and I am also going to create a new file called .env, and here I am going to mention my port, that is, let me change it, 4500 for now. Now I'm going to import middlewares. Now I'm going to use the middlewares. Also I'm going to use the parser for the JSON, and now after this I am going to import mongoose for the database. So I'm going to connect, and it will first take the URI, and so for that let me just go to the MongoDB Atlas website. So hello guys, we are in the MongoDB Atlas website, and now I'm going to just have to uh, bring my URI from here. And before that, if you are using this for the first time, you have to go to the database access, and here you have to create an user so that you can connect. Let me give a demonstration. So I'm going to generate an auto generate password, and I'm going to copy it and update user. And for the network access, you need to specify your IP address so that you can connect to this database. And then you have to go to the cluster, and then you have to connect, and then from this part you have to copy your URI, and as you can see, you have to replace your password and then your database name. So I'm going to copy that from here. uh, First let me copy. So yeah guys, I have copied my URI. Let me write it down. And now I have to paste my password and the database name. So for the database name, I'm going to use this mern-nemo. And from the password, I have to bring the password. So I'm going to bring the password, going to back and close, and then from here to edit, and then edit password, auto generate password, copy, update user. So now I'm going to paste the password here. So I have pasted my password, and now I have to bring that URI from the environment variable. And after that, I have to mention few options. You just can copy these things. I'm also going to give a callback function. So let me start my server. So as you can see, the server has started with the port number 4500, and the database connection is also successfully established. So that's all for the video. I hope you understood everything. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the video section. And so see you in my next video.